Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, July 29th, and this is my analysis for the Euro US dollar, and I'm on the 1 hour time frame. So the Euro dollar definitely pushed down very hard yesterday, as you can see. I got it zoomed out on the 1 hour time frame because I still wanted to show that this could all still be a pullback to the last wave up. This still could possibly be an A, this could possibly be a B, and this could be a wave C. If that's true, then we would likely get a double bottom like this, and this would end up being a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave C, probably making a double bottom at the 78% and then giving us a break of structure, telling us that we have the end of a trend for a wave C and likely the continuation of the uptrend from there. So that's possibility number one. Possibility number two is this is actually just going to be a complete trend reversal. This is really a wave 5 on the daily, and it bounces at the 78% and then goes down, bounces maybe again, goes down, and eventually gives us this breaker structure, which will tell me that the daily has made a much more significant turn to the downside. So either scenario, I'm looking for shorts still, and if it just keeps on going down, making lower lows, lower highs, then great. If it bounces from a fib level, goes up and breaks structure, then definitely stop looking for shorts and definitely go back to looking for longs. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpepcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.